Good morning. My battery is low. That's a great way to start off the Sunday. Completely empty. I'm really trying to get this done today. Honestly, I think I've eaten all day. I'm so excited. God, I hope that this is the last, not the last moving vlog, but the last day I need to go back to the apartment. It's not gonna be the last day that I need to go back to the apartment, but to get our shit. Ugh, we still have like all the dishes. Now we just have like dishes and like little things. All of the boxes and everything else is here. I just need to get like the dishes that we have left, the silverware, the cookingware, and then we need to empty our side of the fridge, and then we are good.
Morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
Vlogging. What about you? Thank you.
Alright.
Alright, I'll talk to you soon.
Okay. Alright, love you, bye.
Love you, bye. Okay, hold on. My little sister's here. Okay, guys, this is the last time I'll be in this apartment. I just packed up the remainder of the stuff into my car. Q had to get ready for work. So yeah, the rest is stuff that Kate and Jake are taking. So yeah, it's so empty. And then this is our room, completely empty. I have to come back and use magic erasers to like clean up the walls a little bit, even though they like paint over them. Closet and bathroom, all empty and ready for the next tenant. Okay, most of this vlog is on my phone just because my camera died at the house. So this is the last of the stuff from the apartment. As you guys saw, like the whole apartment was, or our portion of the apartment was completely wiped clean. So I do have to go back there like this week sometime for an inspection, and then just to get like a couple more plates or something like that. Something that's so insignificant, and it was actually in the dishwasher, so I was just like, I'll just get it later. So I'm like 99.9% done with, I almost said where. I am 99.9% done with the apartment, the old apartment. And so this is the last of the stuff, and I'm on my way to the house right now to go empty it out and then start organizing. I remembered to bring my camera charger because that way I can charge the camera, and then you guys can like watch me organize, I don't know, empty boxes and stuff, get everything kind of in their designated area, or at least try to. I'm just trying to get like the boxes emptied and like things in their area, and then I can go in this week and buy like organizers and stuff to actually like organize the apartment. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that, and I will talk to you guys after I'm done lugging everything inside. Okay, welcome to the bathroom. Oh man, it is about 5:30, and I have been working on getting stuff organized. I was charging my camera while I was doing stuff because my camera died. But I'm gonna show you guys what I've done really quick. Also, this is very, very bare minimum putting away. I'm not organizing yet. I'm not like making it all cute. I'm literally just putting it away so the boxes are away and everything has a space. And then hopefully maybe tomorrow or Tuesday I can start actually like organizing and making it the way I want. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys what I've done. It kind of doesn't look like a lot, but it is a lot. I did a lot of the bedroom. I put all the clothes and stuff in these drawers, and then I did almost all of the closet. Still a work in progress. Just lined up shoes and then empty trash bags. We'll have to do that, but that's what I did. got all like the bags and boxes and stuff kind of figured out. I still don't know what to do with like Q's dirt bike stuff. I'll probably put that maybe, I don't know, maybe in the garage or something, I don't know. So we'll see about that. But this box, these next few boxes are all bathroom stuff. So that's what I'm like tackling right now, is just bathroom and trying to get that organized. So that's what that is. And then this is bathroom. This is like downstairs bathroom, I think. And then I did put my makeup away, put all of his stuff away, worked on that, this, and then down there kind of just putting boxes away, trying to get everything in their spot. But there's so much stuff downstairs still. Like, I'll show you guys. Like, look at all this left. These boxes are kitchen. I need to bring the hampers up and stuff. So literally just so much stuff. I can't. I'm really trying to get this done today. Just like everything put in their place, or somewhat put in their place, but I'm not quite sure how. I mean, it's only 5. And then the office is still kind of a mess. This box goes in all those white drawers. And then that's all my camera gear that I think I'm gonna set up nicely sometime. I don't know. That might just stay in the box for now until I can get like a little organization thing for that. So now I'm going to move this next box in here into the bathroom and start doing that box.
Hoping you'll love me once again. Calling lovers and helping it. Yeah, we are in the same bed. Just come back out there. He's not all that you wished for. Yeah, it's pretty clear to me. You're losing track of where you are. Baby, it's not that serious. You're playing games, it's fucked up. You're waiting for my heart to get wise. Will you leave me here? Wanna try? Baby, it's not that serious. I wish we could just make up. It's all been said and done, so why did we have to get so serious? So serious. You're just afraid, I get it. Let go too soon. You're hiding, but I don't see why.
I think I'm gonna go ahead and work on downstairs a little bit. Just like the kitchen and kind of getting everything in its place. I did a lot of damage upstairs, but still got a lot to do. Still got a lot to do. The thing about this kitchen is it doesn't really have that much counter space. Did I tell you guys I bought a fridge today? I don't know if I told you guys, but I bought a fridge today. Yay, Mackenzie buying big girl things. Yay, the fridge is coming tomorrow. So we don't have any groceries, but we do have like some like dry products that I'm just gonna put away, and like our appliances. This big fucking toaster oven that I have no idea where it's gonna go. Maybe over in that corner.
She got the white top, I want to spend my life with you, We got the sunset going down, I just want you now, yeah. Look at the clouds, the orange, the gold, the sky is nice. I like the way the roof's gone, way the roof's gone. She got the white top, I want to spend my life with you, We got the sunset
Okay, it's 7 and I basically cleared like 75% of that area. Oh my god, I'm starving. I don't honestly think I've eaten all day. Let me think about that statement. Yeah, I haven't eaten all day. My mind has just been on this and I just, like it just hit me how hungry I am. So I'm gonna go get dinner while I charge my battery again because it's blinking at me again. And then I'm gonna come back. I cleared up all those 4 boxes. I have boxes upstairs that I cleared up. About 5 of those. And then I need to carry up Q's hamper. And then do all this like miscellaneous stuff. This honestly might just go in the downstairs like little closet in there just for storage. Holy frick, I'm hungry. Okay, what did I last update you guys on? I think I was just making my bed, but bed's made. I'm so excited to finally have sheets. Yeah, I should, ooh, it's kind of chilly, but I showered and it felt so good to like be clean. Tomorrow I plan on really getting down to organizing everything. I'm gonna start probably with 1 room at a time. I think my biggest battle is gonna be this closet and the bathroom. Yeah, and then tomorrow I'm also getting my fridge, which will be so clutch, but we still need to buy a entertainment center and a dining room set. So once we have that, then we'll be like all completely moved in and able to live. But we're gonna go to bed. It's about 10:30 and I'm exhausted from today. But I hope you guys enjoy moving vlog number 2. Is it number 2 or is it number 3? This might be number 3. But I don't know. They're kind of getting all mixed up. But I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys tomorrow. Mwah.